Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to hide all of your Facebook photos using the Only Me setting. This way, no one else will be able to see your tagged pictures or uploads. Start by tapping on the three lines menu to open Facebook's main navigation. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. This will take you into the privacy controls. Under the Audience and Visibility section, choose Profile and Tagging. This is where you can manage who sees posts and photos you're tagged in. Next, tap the option that controls who can see posts you're tagged in. Change it from friends or friends of friends to only me. This makes sure your tagged photos are completely private. And that's it. You've now hidden all your Facebook photos so that only you can see them. Your profile is much more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick privacy tips.